What's up YouTube, and welcome to today's video. So I'll be honest, for today's video, I really have no agenda. We're just going to get the Gladiator out with the family and have a good time with it. And you know, best case scenario, I get some good footage to make a video out of. Worst case scenario, my family just has a fun day hanging out in the Jeep. But first, before we get into the main part of today's video, I have to acknowledge the milestone we've hit for the channel, and I just really appreciate all the growth in subscribers lately. We recently just went over 100 subscribers. So welcome to all the new people that have just recently subscribed. And you know, thank you guys for getting us to this point. And as this channel continues to grow and continue to make content with the Gladiator and other vehicles to come, you guys are going to always be the OG subscribers that were here from the very beginning at the start of this channel, and have, you know, suffered through some of the, you know, terrible videos I've made as I'm you know, learning to do this better and better and make better quality videos for you guys. So I just want to say a big thank you to all you guys. Now, just to talk about overall plans for the channel, we have been going really hard on Gladiator content lately. That's just because I just got this and you guys obviously love it, and so do I. So we're going to keep on making Gladiator content, but I do have some more surprises coming for the channel very soon. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, to get subscribed and be on the lookout for that. So overall, I just want to say a big thank you to all your subscribers out there. If you guys have been watching the channel, you know I'm not going to sit here and beg for subscribers. This is really just a hobby of mine that I enjoy, and I plan to continue enjoying. I like making the videos. I like the process of going through and filming and editing, and I just like getting to share cool vehicles like this with you guys. So thanks for being along for the ride, but you know, we're just getting started, so there's a lot more to come. Alright guys, so we're just out exploring in the Jeep with the family. We're going around this little town next to us called Bonner Springs, and they have this really cool coffee place you can see in the back called 10 and 2. So we're going to run in and grab some coffee real quick. All right, guys, we've done it. We finally found a gravel road. She's officially no longer a pavement princess. It's just beautiful out here. We're just kind of driving around in the country with the Jeep and enjoying this gravel road. I swear, I don't know why it was so hard to find around where I live. We spent forever looking for it, but finally, here we go, guys. Alright guys, we made it back to the garage and you can see we have a nice layer of gravel dust on the Gladiator now. I think she looks even better dirty. So that's effectively going to end today's video. Today was just meant to be more of kind of a fun, get the Gladiator out with the family and just kind of explore some stuff. So as always, appreciate you guys tagging along. So it's fun getting this thing out, just getting a little bit dirty. And as I said, just kind of going around and exploring, new stuff with my family. And I would have to say that's probably one of the things I love the most about the Gladiator is that since we've got it, we've done that a lot more. All right, so that's where I'm going to end things. I will catch you guys in the next one.